Hello, my name is Angela Miller of Concordia Consularis, the spiritual and business agency of the Fifth World of Peace. I'm calling in today all about love and how amazing that is. And what I wanted to do was show you this ad here that I'm talking about. I'm hosting a workshop, a specific journey here with Concordia Spiritual Activation on Sunday, the 15th of August at 8 p.m. British Summer Time and 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now, what sort of things are we going to be doing? Well, we're going to be healing the soul of past relationships, the ones that have given us the greatest damage to the heart. And we use a combination of ancient techniques and very futuristic multidimensional technology to support your heart, heal it, nurture it, and bring you into alignment. And what do I mean by that? Well, I mean that it is a sense of the reclaiming parts of ourselves that we've lost during these times of trauma that we've experienced with personal relationships, but it may not have just come from this lifetime alone. It may have come from another lifetime. You may have a pattern there that triggers you into negative ways of feeling love or responding to love or engaging with it. So we will bring you into a calibrated alignment with the masculine and feminine parts of yourself, amongst other things, collecting parts of ourselves, healing the biggest soul traumas and the separation that we felt at various times in the story of Earth. Also, in those times, we will have experienced density and density attacks to our soul, to our spirit, to our own inner being. And we carry those memories in our DNA. We clear through your soul experience at such vast levels and resolve them in a very sacred way. And this helps you to heal from the past, to allow you to go on in this new time cycle in the fifth world of peace, unhurt, having learnt your lessons, resolved from the trauma. Fabulous. Then the next level of that, we ignite that 5D sacred love experience. And we do that in a number of ways. There's not just one way that we function with. We utilize a broad spectrum of techniques that help to ignite you to the fullest potential and super capacity as a hyper aware, high frequency, hyper aware being of light in physical human form. So what happens after that? After that sacred ignition to our conscious being within us and without of us in the unseen, what is the next step? Well, for those that seek unconditional love within, getting to know yourself is the first key to this, and learning to apply this sense of sacred love to your experience. It's a very beautiful and connecting way of getting a deeper relationship with your soul, your desires, your soul contracts that you must accomplish in this lifetime. Being in this frequency helps you to achieve exactly that. We have experienced many dense times recently at various points in the last 18 months that have brought you into a fearful polarity. Now we recharge you, your soul, your love experience, which is natural, contrary to everything that's been going on around you. We help you to achieve those levels of love within you that help you to get the most out of your spiritual living experience on earth. Then, after we've mastered that, we can then attract and magnetize somebody that we maybe seek, a co-pilot, a friend, somebody in our lives to experience love with at the various levels of learning about it. So this is a tri package, as it were. of healings, activations, and specific use of techniques that will help to benefit you and raise your frequency to such exponential levels. You truly will be living in the fifth world of peace without the system impacting you, because it becomes irrelevant to everything that you create with or create for. It comes from within you. Creating from a place of love can only dramatically impact your experience in a positive and harmonic way, more so than ever before. When we live in low frequency, we make choices that are incorrect for us, that don't have our best interests at heart. When you learn to live in love at these exponential spiritual levels in human form, your reality begins to shift and change into something much more beautiful, illuminated, wisdom absorbing way of being bigger than what you are. You are huge in comparison to the system. You are infinite. And when you realize this in the deepest levels of self-love for yourself, that begins to emanate into the world around you. Mitochondria takes form. Love spreads in every way, in every aspect of your life. And it creates a level of healing for the soul, for the body, so deep that your life will never be the same again. Only for the better, only for your authentic truth of self, of beingness, of love. So, if you would love dearly to come and experience yourself, I will facilitate this beautiful time to help you get there with my experience. Concordia Spiritual Activation, Sunday the 15th of August, 8 p.m. British Summer Time, and 8 p.m. on the same day, Pacific Standard Time. Do find the link below. If you would like to check out securely, please do so. Do give us a like, do give us a share. These activations are for you. Thanks for listening. My name is Angela Miller from Concordia Consularis, the spiritual and business agency of the fifth world of peace.